Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mr. Yates for our daily dictation for Tuesday, April 14th. I'm going to go ahead and add the Tuesday dictation to my Monday dictation, and I want you to do the same thing. Make sure you have it all on the same paper so that you can use this as your cheat sheet for the Friday dictation test. I'm going to go ahead and write down Tuesday, and then I'm going to go ahead and start with my dictation. I'll say it one time. Please say it back to me. I'll say it 4 more times. If you need to pause the video, great. And then I'll go ahead and reveal the correct dictation at the very end. All that? Lina was astonished. Then there's a lot of special things like that still? All that? Lina was astonished. Then there's a lot of special things like that still? All that? Lina was astonished. Then there's a lot of special things like that still? All that? Lina was astonished. Then there's a lot of special things like that still? Pause the video if you need to. I'm going to go ahead and write down the answer for the dictation. I'll read it back one more time. All that? Lina was astonished. Then there's a lot of special things like that still? All that? Lina was astonished. Then there's a lot, and I'm going to make that S a little better. I kind of made that into an exponent almost. Then there's a lot of special things like that still. All that? Lina was astonished. Then there's a lot of special things like that still. Make sure you're using your quotation marks in the correct spaces. Make sure you're using question marks. Make sure you're capitalizing names. Make sure you're putting a period at the end of this sentence. And make sure that you're using the apostrophe S right there when there's. Go ahead and fix your mistakes. Make sure everything is corrected, and then you'll be good to go for our Friday dictation test. We'll talk to you tomorrow for our Wednesday dictation, boys and girls. Bye-bye.